What if I told you that some low-profile ceiling fans are just weak, overpriced junk? But others? They're dead silent, powerful, and save you 50% on energy bills. Today, we tested the top 5 low-profile ceiling fans of 2025, and number 1 will shock you. Stick around because number 3 has a hidden flaw nobody talks about. Oh, and all purchase links? Check the description. Let's get into it. Number 1. Portage Bay 50254 Hugger 52 White West Hill Ceiling Fan with Bowl Light Kit. The Hugger White West Hill Ceiling Fan by Portage Bay is best for flush mount installations when ceiling height is of concern. This home expert approved fan has reversible blades with a matte white finish on one side and a Siberian walnut wood finish on the other. It also features an opal frosted dome light fixture. With a high-performance motor for powerful yet quiet operation and 52-inch walnut blades, this Hugger fan is ideal for most rooms that measure up to 20 feet x 20 feet. The LED bulb fixture that is included is also compatible with CFL bulbs. One of the best features of this indoor or outdoor ceiling fan is that it has a reversible motor, which means it has a reverse airflow feature that allows you to quickly change the direction of the fan for proper distribution of air. Number 2. Hunter Fan Company 51061 Hunter 42 Low Profile 4 Ceiling Fan. The traditional Hunter Low Profile 4 Ceiling Fan has a sleek pull chain control. This fan is made for indoor use only. It is designed for houses that have small rooms with low ceilings. It is perfectly crafted to fit flush to the ceiling, making it ideal for smaller spaces with a ceiling height between 8 feet and 9 feet. This reversible fan comes with reverse rotation fan blades that keep the rooms in your home cool during summers and warm during winters. The product has gained numerous positive reviews for its quiet functioning and impeccable quality. Number 3. Prominence Home 80092-01 Alvina Ceiling Fan with LED Globe Light. Get the look you've always wanted with the state-of-the-art Prominence Home Alvina Ceiling Fan. It is designed by keeping the users in mind. Each fan provides high quality and quiet performance. This 5-blade ceiling fan has a low-profile design that is built for rooms where extra space is needed. It is perfect for rooms measuring around 350 square feet, such as living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, or family rooms. It can be used in the winter to aid in rotating warm air and promote energy efficiency. The best thing about this low-profile fan is that it has the perfect finish on each side of the reversible blades to match your living space. This fan is also compatible with universal ceiling fan remote controls and has a frosted opal globe light. Number 4. Kasava 52-inch Ancestry Vintage. UL listed. 52-inch blade span. 14-degree blade pitch. 172 by 20 mm motor. Canopy housing is 14-inch wide. Includes two 6-watt dimmable LED bulbs. 400 lumens each, comparable to a 40-watt incandescent. 2700 K color temperature. 90 CRI. Elegant and ornate design. This 5-blade ceiling fan brings a Victorian touch to your great room, family room, or foyer, combining French country charm with a pretty, ornate look. Its elegant detailing enhances both classic and shabby chic interiors, making it a stunning focal point. Versatile and stylish cooling, perfect for a large room, dining room, or mission-inspired space, this fan provides a refreshing breeze while maintaining a stylish aesthetic. The optional lighting offers a bright ambience, complementing both Tuscan and cottagecore decor. Rubbed French white finish blades and motor. Frosted glass light. There will be slight variations in the finish due to the unique rubbed white finish process. Included accessories: handheld remote control with dimming function included. Maximum 2 fans on 1 control handheld transmitter. Traditional fan design with decorative vine and leaf pattern on motor. Hugger ceiling fan. Height is only 6.75-inch ceiling to blades, 12.75 ceiling to bottom of light. Number 5. Hunter 5213942 Haskell Indoor Low Profile Ceiling Fan. The Hunter Haskell Low Profile Ceiling Fan can freshen up your small kitchen or living room with its clean and classic design. This minimalist design fan has a low-profile mount that allows it to hang flush against the ceiling in rooms that have low ceilings. It features whisper-wind motor technology that delivers powerful and quiet operation while keeping your living space looking stylish. This fan is created for indoor spaces only. It includes a pull chain that is convenient for quick and easy operation and speed adjustments. This ceiling fan comes with a bowl light kit that is made of swirled marble glass. It includes two 60W incandescent bulbs to give you control of the ambience of your space thanks to its dimming feature. Many reviewers have opined that it can be controlled with a handheld remote or wall control. So, which fan would you install in your home? Drop your pick in the comments. If this video helped you avoid a bad purchase, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe, because next week, we're exposing the biggest scams in home cooling gadgets. You don't want to miss it.